and be mean and dirty and awful to you. Don't you touch me! Don't you touch me! I quite about enough of it. Don't you touch me! People think I'm cute, and if they see you trying to hurt me, they're gonna hate you. They're gonna hate you. Get off! Come on! I'm serious. I'm gonna stay. Ow! Ow! Ow!
It's not an easy thing to do, but I guess it's true. Between me and you, I think everyone's a little bit racist sometimes. Doesn't mean we go around committing hate crimes. Look around and you will find no one's really colorblind. Maybe it's a fact we all should face. Everyone makes judgments based on race.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's guest star time, and here he is to sing Zippity-Doo-Dah, Mr. Alan...
Kermit, I don't think you better introduce Alan Arkin right now.
Why not?
Well, he's changed.
Well, of course he's changed. He had to put on his costume for this number.
I mean, he's changed in another way.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Just let me finish the introduction. Ladies and gentlemen... What was that?
Alan Arkin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fabulously talented The Bon Bon Brothers.
I'm a stereotype.
You're what?
A stereotype.
A stereotype, a token.
I am a token. There's nothing original about me. I'm just a rehash of all these stereotypes you've ever seen.
But wait, you're Mexican, aren't you supposed to be happy?
Oh, you want me to fucking act for you here? We just can't hang out like guys?
Internet is for porn. The internet is for porn. Me up all night, plugging me horn to porn, porn, porn.
You're a pervert. Normal people don't just sit at home and look at porn on the internet.
You have no idea. The internet is for porn.
Sorry, Kate.
The internet is for
I
porn.
masturbate.
All these guys unzip their flies for porn, porn, porn.
Not for porn.
Porn, porn.
So, Ahmed, if you're a terrorist, I would suppose you have some sort of specialty. Yes, I am the suicide bomber. Ah, so you're finished. What? You've done your job. No, I haven't. But you're dead. No, I'm not. I feel fine. But you're all bone. It's a flesh wound. Silence! I kill you! What the hell happened to my feet? Son of a bitch, what the hell? Oh, wait a minute, what the hell? What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop touching me!